All Onduline roofing materials are easy to install. You don't need to be a roofing expert. Standard Onduline sheets fit in a car's back seat, while compact versions are suitable for a car trunk, ensuring easy handling and transport. Onduline sheets are very light, with a weight of only 3 kilograms per square meter on average, allowing one person to carry multiple sheets. Onduline sheets are so easy to install. Some sheets feature a smart lock system with embossed lines that serve as an installation guide or pre-marked fixing position, making the project quicker and easier. Fixing the sheets is so simple, with no need for pre-drilled holes. Even beginners using a drill can secure them in just 10 seconds per fastener. Cutting Onduline sheets doesn't require costly professional tools. A saw pad or a cutter can be used. For a beginner DIYer, vertical cuts take about 20 seconds only, and horizontal cuts with a cutter may take up to 1 minute. To avoid cutting, you may increase the overlap between the sheets. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer, Onduline roofs are quick and easy to install. For example, a 15-meter square installation with simple cutting takes 2 hours for a beginner and 1 hour 30 for an experienced DIYer. For all these reasons, Onduline is the solution for easy roof installation, keeping people and their belongings safe inside.